In the dynamic world of real estate, where web visitors are like gold, one realtor uncovered a genius way to turn those clicks into clients.
Hey there, I'm Mark Anderson, a realtor who's all about thinking outside the box. And today, I'm spilling the beans on how I transform my website visitors into red-hot leads with the help of Realtor AI.
Say hello to Realtor AI, the secret sauce that sparks conversations and turns those anonymous clicks into potential deals.
Greetings, future homeowner. Got questions about listings or the market buzz? I'm all ears, well, sort of.
Realtor AI isn't just a chatbot, it's like having a digital me, minus the coffee addiction.
From scouting dream homes to asking about down payments, Realtor AI keeps visitors engaged and entertained 24/7.
Oh, just texting my AI assistant to make me a sandwich.
Mark, I heard you've got a chatbot working for you now. What's the scoop?
Well, Julia, meet Realtor AI. It's like having a chatty sidekick that converts website visitors into real leads.
A chatbot assistant, huh? Does it do coffee runs too?
Nah, it's more into delivering leads than lattes.
Well, I've been losing sleep over leads lately.
Oh, Julia, you need a digital wingman like mine. My AI handles the initial conversations while I focus on sealing the deal.
Alright, spill the beans. How's it performing?
Like a rock star, it captures contact info, gives property insights, and even cracks a joke or two. It's a real people pleaser.
So, you've got a comedian AI. I could use one for my showings.
You know what they say, a laugh can close a deal faster than a handshake.
With Realtor AI in the mix, Mark's website is now a lead magnet. It connects with visitors, gathers crucial details, and nurtures those leads until they're ripe for conversion.
Julia, remember that listing I mentioned last time? Turns out, they're already chatting with my AI.
Well, you've got a futuristic advantage, my friend.
In the ever-evolving world of real estate, innovation isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Thanks to Realtor AI, Mark doesn't just capture website visitors, he creates relationships that lead to solid signs.